हाय फ्रेंड्स, आज मंगलवार है एंड मंगलवार होटेलियर्स का छुट्टी का वार होता है. सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू बी कुकिंग टुडे. सो व्हाट डू वी डू? कुछ खाना ही है ना, कुछ तो बनाना ही है. सो वेट, रिमेंबर माई फ्रेंड सोनाली? Remember I had introduced all of you all to her and she was making a dish. Remember? नहीं याद आया? Okay, watch this. Hey, Sonali. Hey, what's this, Sonali? Boiled eggs, potato, I think, and tomatoes or chilies, red chilies on the other side. Hey, this is looking exotic. It's looking very different. Whatever you're making, please do share this recipe with us. Okay?
Hi, Chef. Good evening.
Meet my friends and friends, this is Sonali, Mrs. Sonali Kulshetra. She's a friend of mine, very close friend. Yaad aa gaya? Remember now? Well, Sonali has been kind enough and she has given me this recipe now. So what we'll do is we'll go and watch how she cooks, what this recipe is like, and it will be my voice that she wanted that I should give the voiceover. So I'll be describing the recipe in complete for all of you all. So let's not waste any time. Let's go to the recipe immediately. Okay? Well, here it is. Well friends, this is how it is. These are 4 or 5 potatoes which have been boiled. They have to be mashed very properly with these boiled eggs. This is rock salt and pepper mixed together. Good Sonali, good that you remembered that never to mash or keep food or serve food or eat food in a plastic vessel or a plastic plate. Good that you are doing it now in a glass bowl. Okay, so that's very nice. So by the time Sonali mashes these potatoes, I'll describe the dish. The ingredients for this dish are potatoes, eggs, coriander, mustard oil, rock salt and pepper. Okay, so these are 3 eggs for 4 or 5 potatoes, half a cup of fresh green coriander. Along with this you can also add carrots, chopped carrots, and peas, a little bit of cheese also, processed cheese or cheddar cheese or mozzarella cheese. So that will be an innovation for the recipe. Okay, now this is the original recipe, authentic recipe known as Alushi Do from Bengal. This recipe is very unique. The reason is that well, now a little bit of mustard oil is this is rock salt and pepper put together. This is being added, and of course you can add green chilies also. Now Alushi Do is a recipe that is basically is a poverty recipe. Now look, the mustard oil is being added, but you can always use desi ghee. You can always use you can use any type of oil that you wish, olive oil, desi ghee, butter, white butter, anything. Okay, good Sonali, very good. According to Ayurveda, the food must be prepared with the use of 5 fingers, because the 5 elements get infused into them, and they must be eaten again with the hand, the 5 fingers, because the elements play a great role in the eating and making of the food. So that is why the hands, the fingers are used to mash the eggs and the potatoes and mix them well, and also to eat it. Now this particular dish, as I was saying, Alushi Do, is basically is of the poor people in Bengal, and this dish was so loved that it found its way to the aristocracy, the elite kitchens. The elite people started having it, and then it found its way to the menus of some 5-star hotels, not only Indian 5-star chains but also of multinational 5-star chains. It is being served there also. Look, this dabbing is very, very important, because this allows the air to infuse into the dish. So this dabbing is very much required. Okay, so that's the dish. Thank you Sonali, thank you very much. And as the information I was giving you, so this is what the dish is, that it is a very humble dish made by poor people. It found its way to the aristocracy, to the elite section of Bengal, and then into the 5-star hotels. And this is a dish that is a must try. It is simple, and you can pair this dish in pair with rice and dal, or rice or non-veg, anything. The creativity is up to you. And biggest thing, you can also use it as a filling for buns, for sandwiches, for burgers, anything. And you can also use this dish as a side dish for sizzlers. Creativity is up to you. You can use it as a side dish, you can use it along with salad, you can use it as a side dish along with main course, you can use it as a starter dish. It's a wonderful dish, very simple and very elegant, quick to make, very easy to make, very healthy, totally organic, nothing synthetic into it, nothing factory made into it, very healthy, and which suits almost every type of person. So please go ahead, try this dish, and in my next and do let me know in the comments as to how you all like this dish. Till we meet again, thank you, have a nice time, bye.